Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We want to make sure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18, 2023, our system has identified Google as a promising investment opportunity, ranking it as a buy candidate with a score of 2.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over the specified timeframe, Google's stock has shown a gain of 0.66%. This means that on average, the stock has been generating a return of 0.33% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Traditionally, this would indicate a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $140.28, it will give a strong buy signal and suggest a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 0.654% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -9.68% to 2.24%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 54.77% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 46.98% and 70.38%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $202.97 to $235.29 after 12 months. Our latest update on Google's stock shows a positive trend. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, the stock price increased by 0.663%, rising from $137.19 to $138.10. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $137.46 and a high of $138.77, showing a 0.95% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 4.31% gain. The trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 21 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $2.84 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and potential changes in the near future. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $142.38, while the lowest price was $85.57. Currently, the price is 3.01% or $4.28 below the 52-week high. It is also 94.54% or $2,388.89 below the all-time high, which was recorded on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Google GOOG stock. On October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. On July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. KeyBank also rated Google as overweight with a hold action on July 26, 2023. JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action on May 24, 2023. Credit Suisse rated Google as neutral with a hold action on May 4, 2023. According to analysts, Google stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price to book is also rated as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Google stock. Let's start with the current state of the stock. There are mixed signals today. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by 1.37%. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Despite these sell signals, there are some positive indicators for the Google stock. It holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. There's also a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $134.95 and $134.43. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day, despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. So, it's important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator gave a sell signal. The Pivots Indicator gave a sell signal 19 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator gave a buy signal 37 days ago. The Short-Term Moving Average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The Long-Term Moving Average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 190 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss for Google stock. Google currently finds support from accumulated volume at $133.84. This means that there is a strong possibility of a buying opportunity when this support level is tested. In such cases, we can expect the stock to react positively and potentially move upwards. It's worth noting that Google is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes. This is why the risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. Looking at the recent data, we can see that the stock had a daily fluctuation of $1.31, 0.95%, between its highest and lowest points. This indicates a relatively stable performance. Over the past week, Google has shown an average volatility of 2.09%. While this is not significant, it's important to keep in mind when considering potential investment strategies. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often seen in businesses with established track records or consistent revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Google. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $138.45. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already invested in the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. Now, on the downside, Google faces its first support level at $133.84. If this support holds strong, it could serve as a promising entry point with hopes of a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 11, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted an insider selling activity and sold 101 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 11, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted another insider selling activity and sold 99 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 6, 2023, Pichai Sundar participated in an insider selling activity and sold 14,769 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 6, 2023, Pichai Sundar conducted another insider selling activity and sold 7,731 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 1, 2023, GV 2023 GP, LLC engaged in an insider buying activity and acquired 0 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.589. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,485,261 shares and sold 1,758,706 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss level for this stock is set at $133.27, which represents a decrease of 3.49%. This particular stock exhibits minimal daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 18 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive outlook for Google stock. This suggests that the current level might present a buying opportunity. Furthermore, when we examine the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, December 20th, we anticipate that Google will open up $0.0100 and begin trading at $138.11. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Feel free to comment below and share your opinions. What do you think the target for this stock should be? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.